Hi, Dee.
Hi.
So I was wondering if you could just kind of tell us your story about, what you went through with breast cancer. Just kind of highlight things that you've learned prior, that you would go through and do differently, or things that you really found to be a strength during, and any recommendations, after, things of that nature.
Sure. Well, in May of 2011, I was diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer. I had 1 out of 20 nodes that were positive. Size of my lesion was very small, so, but they wanted to hit it hard since it was so small and went into the node. And so decided on, I had a lumpectomy, and then went on to chemo and radiation. So went through about 12 weeks of chemotherapy. Not the funnest thing.
Yeah.
And then radiation was about 7 weeks every day for that. So the treatment really knocks it out of you. You really get tired. So, eating healthy and the right foods, and trying to stay active were kind of, big keys.
Where did you seek out information?
My doctor had said, if you're active, keep doing what you're doing, because that'll help in your recovery. As far as eating healthy, just support groups, that I went to for that. That was a big help also. Just, to connect with people that are in your same situation. So. And
how did when you first got the news, how did that kind of affect you, and then how did that affect your family and friends?
It was hard at first. You always think it's not going to happen to me.
Yep.
Especially like I worked at my workplace. You think 1 out of 8 women are going to get breast cancer. And our office had already been hit with someone. She just went through radiation therapy, but still the diagnosis, so then you think, here's our 1 in 8, it's not going to happen to me. But so it's a real shock. And kind of, you don't want to believe that it's real. But yeah, it scared, us, my family, and especially with having a daughter yet in high school, just kind of takes you back, and you wonder, you want to see their future and their kids and everything. So, but I think in another respect, that kind of helps you to move on. And makes you work harder.
Yeah, that's good to hear. That's good motivation.
Yes.
Absolutely. And then as far as after, is there anything that, in particular that you learned, you found out, you really took to heart, and something that really, you've implemented in your life now, that you would recommend that other people, do or go through, anything of that nature?
Well, I think the big change for me has been exercise, just to keep the strength up. And you do read a lot about, with breast cancer, in exercise really reduces chance of recurrence or even first diagnosis. So I've been trying, I go about 2-3-4 days a week to a club, but to keep that up. So, and my faith
absolutely
changed tremendously. Power of prayer.
yeah, amen. Prayer is the most powerful healing, and I truly believe that. And where else do you lean to?
Right. The more you read, you hear people that are 10, 13, 15, 20 years out, and who have had stage 4 cancer, So it does give you hope for the future, and just another drive, you know,
Yep.
to stay healthy and active.
Absolutely.
So, and right now I think I look at myself as I'm through it, and now I'm here to help other people. So, yeah.
Yeah. Well, thank you for sharing everything, and
Sure, you're
we
welcome.
appreciate it.